Hello, I am Allison Regola. Welcome to my Ideal Classroom screencast that addresses wall displays, classroom layout, and organization for an early childhood classroom. In my ideal classroom, I believe that the wall should be colorful, creative, and encouraging. Similar to the picture on the left, I will display my students' birthdays on a wall. I believe that by showing your students that you care, you will develop a unique relationship with them. I also feel that it is important to have an area on a wall with motivational quotes. Students should be encouraged to learn in any classroom environment, whether it is through verbal or nonverbal motivation. One area of the classroom that encourages creativity and should be included in all early childhood classrooms is an art supply center. This center will be organized utilizing a variety of baskets and containers that are appropriate sizes for the materials. The materials in the center will include crayons, colored pencils, markers, glue, scissors, rulers, erasers, and scrap paper. The goal of this center is to provide students the opportunity to be as creative as they want to be. The classroom layout. In my classroom, the desks will be grouped together. By having the desks formed into small groups, I am encouraging my students to become team members and work cooperatively during specific instruction. The desks will also be in the center of the classroom. I believe that students can become stressed and have a difficult time moving away from being shy if they are placed directly in the front of the classroom. I also believe that if the students' desks are at the back of the classroom, they will be more likely to not pay attention or they will get distracted. Therefore, the desks will be located in the center of the classroom, such as the picture represented. In an area of the classroom will be a bean table. The bean table will be utilized during small group or one-on-one instruction. The shape of this specific table creates a cozy and more personal learning environment for both the teacher and the students. The daily learning objectives or learning targets are part of classroom management. By displaying the daily learning objectives or targets somewhere for all students to view, they are able to physically see in advance what they are expected to learn in each curriculum area. Displaying this information will also be beneficial to those older students who appreciate structure in the classroom. In this picture, you can see that the teacher wrote the learning targets on the whiteboard. She wrote them about the curriculum areas of math, ELA, science, and social studies. As most know, the elementary years are some of the most rambunctious and energetic years in a child's life. In order to regulate the level of noises in the classroom at undesirable times, I will incorporate a management technique for the students to be familiar of and to follow. In this classroom, based on the picture on the left, the teacher uses something that the students are familiar with in this generation, such as the Bitmojis. The noise levels will range from silent to outside voice. Another classroom management technique is the use of helpers. Each student in the class will have their name on some type of material that will be used with the classroom helper chart. The types of positions available will vary depending on the grade level. This management technique also provides the students with the opportunity to work independently and take on responsibility. This is part of a classroom area. This area is the reading nook and will be available to all students both during and not during centers. In the reading nook, you will find comfortable furniture pieces that help to make this area an inviting and cozy place to relax, such as the pillows. Students can come to this area to relax or to read a book. There will be baskets that are organized and contain both leveled and for simple enjoyment books. My goal with this center is to encourage students to read and relax more. Students put much effort or stress on their learning. Therefore, it is important to have an academically centered, relaxing area in the classroom. Student organization. This area of the classroom will be located near the entryway. In this area will be an organizational process for turning in completed assignments, signed letters, or other important materials. Once students arrive to school, they can use this area as a mail drop-off zone. There will also be a shelving system utilized as the students' mailboxes. This will be used as a pickup zone of important take-home materials, assignments, or letters. This area is to keep the students organized and to learn to follow a process. Finally, the teacher's desk space. The teacher's desk will be located in the back of the classroom, as it is a space that should not be utilized often throughout the day. This area should include an organization system for the different curriculum areas or daily lesson plans that a substitute teacher could easily access if needed. Extra office materials will also be included in this area, as the center picture shows. I hope that you enjoyed learning about my ideal classroom. If you have any questions regarding the design, please contact me through my contact information on my portfolio. Thank you.